Hi, I'm Lawrence Stridell.
And I'm Charlotte Stridell, and we're with Winners Window Tint in Rockville, Maryland. We were one of the first shops nationwide to offer a computerized cutting tint machine. We've been certified in our industry to the extent that we always have master tinters on site at all times. We've won a lot of awards here, and we have a lot of certificates that show the level of skill that we've built and learned over the past 20 years so that we can just do a fantastic job here. We've been tinting for 20 years, but we also do paint protection, which was a product that we brought in about 12 years ago. And now we also offer exterior windshield protection. So we're passionate not only about new cars and our clients' new cars, but also new products that we can offer in addition to the standard products that we offer here.
To have the best experience possible at Winners, you don't need to know anything about window film to get window film. We'll walk you through the choices, the reasons to get window film. After all, window film cools down the interior of your car, blocks UV rays, provides privacy. There's lots of reasons to get window film, and we are here to help you pick out the right film for you.
If you need automotive window tint and automotive paint protection, come see us at Winners Window Tint.